Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the zoom mode or aspect ratio on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. And in order to do that, we'll need to press the home button on our pilot and then navigate this menu by pressing the arrows in the middle of our pilot right here. So navigate up and find settings, press OK and go to the system, press OK again, and from here move to the left, press the down key in order to move down and find picture zoom. Click the right arrow in order to change it to subtitle 40:9, 14:9, 14:9, zoom 4:3, cinema 16:19, and that's all of the settings. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.